Hey y'all, I'm Will O'Malley and I did 5G in Japan. What is 5G? So fifth generation technology is exactly what it sounds like. It's the fifth generation of wireless technology and connection, and similar to how 4G is fourth generation. And comparing the two, 5G technology is significantly faster because it uses nodes that can be scattered around an area, and it kind of evens out the service and it minimizes dead zones, and it can be put in pre-existing structures of 4G, which makes it easier for everyone, but I'll get to that in a little bit. 5G isn't just limited to cell phones, it's also capable for autonomous vehicles as well as virtual reality, and we'll be seeing the impact of those in the coming years. Why is Japan using 5G? So Japan has a very large telecommunications industry, which would really benefit from that faster speed and better service, which would allow it to compete in a global market and be a bigger power. In densely populations like Tokyo, those urban cities, those high speeds will allow people to be more productive and also to be happier because of that lower latency. And once the 5G infrastructure is built, it will make way for Japanese automakers to more easily test autonomous vehicles. And I'll cover that as well in a little bit. Where is 5G being used? So, similar to the United States and the other countries that have implemented this, Japan is implementing 5G in the cities with the large, dense populations. And to be honest, 5G is only truly effective where the 4G infrastructure is already in place. It makes it very easy to install the nodes, and the carriers don't have to spend a whole lot of money, and the infrastructure is just already there. And Japanese officials have actually announced that the country plans to install 5G in over 500 cities within the next year. When is it being used? So 5G is really, really new. It actually was released in the country in March of 2020. And for now, it's mostly used for the citizens who have 5G capable phones, which is the latest and greatest iPhone, Samsung, and phones like that that have just come out recently. And in addition, you have to have certain cellular service providers. One issue involved with 5G is the weather conditions pretty much have to be perfect. If it's too cloudy, too humid, or vice versa, then the 5G coverage can be affected really negatively. And how it applies to business. The development of 5G infrastructure is essentially a race right now, and companies like Verizon have already taken this and have run with it, while AT&T is not. And that is an example from the United States, but it'll be similar in any country. And while companies such as Tesla develop autonomous vehicles, 5G all around Japan would allow automakers, especially those JDM automakers, to test products in the public. And Japanese VR gaming companies are able to use this improved coverage to combine technology with the playing outside that a lot of us are so nostalgic about, and will pretty much revolutionize how kids play when it comes to production. Thanks.